Traders, what a day. Let's get into it. Today is Thursday, September 21st. And boy, did we have some continuation, guys and gals, from yesterday's hardcore sell-off. Okay, let's get to the good stuff because there's no time to waste. I've warned you guys repeatedly, almost every day this month and the month before, that September and October are going to be record-setting months. Like, legitimately. I was predicting 1,000 tick moves every single day. And so far, the market has given me exactly what I was predicting. These crazy, astronomical, jaw-dropping moves. 800 ticks, all right? Now, there's two things I want to make crystal clear, all right? Number one, this beautiful retracement that took place today, right, which was probably the majority of the meat of the move from today's trading session, did take place in the early morning hours. And if you're not a night owl, then you probably missed this beautiful retracement on the master indicator. Okay, but what I tell all of my customers and clients is never, ever beat yourself up over missing a trade. Okay, trades are going to present themselves every single day. Okay, you guys have seen it, right? You've seen each and every one of my videos almost every day. You're most likely going to get a nice, high probability retracement against this master indicator. And listen, here's something I really wanted to show you. Okay, I hardly ever get a chance to show this to you, but I wanted to get you guys dialed into today's close. Okay, now there's a couple of customers I have that are very aggressive type of traders. They love trading the color change on the master indicator instead of waiting for the retracement to happen, right? And we were brainstorming the other day on the amount of volatility that takes place at the market close, okay? And when I say close, I'm talking about the last 90 minutes of every trading session, every day, okay? There's a technique called banging the close, where all the traders who were either got stuck on the wrong side of the market today, or they just need to close out their positions for whatever reason, right? Well, there's a certain type of trade that you might be able to catch only at the close, all right? I'm talking about, like, this setup that I'm going to show you is really only going to apply on highly volatile market environments like we had today, and specifically like we had in today's close, okay? So if you're an aggressive trader and you just want to follow along the color change, and when I say color change, folks, I'm just simply talking like going long when it's green, right? And going short when it's red, okay? That's what I mean when I say color change. If that fits your risk profile and you're comfortable with the risk reward on these type of setups, then yeah, man, you have got to check out what happens at the close. I mean, Jesus Christ, can you see this thing today? Can you see how this thing plunged 600 ticks just in the last 90 minutes? Okay. I mean, this was epic. I don't think I've seen a move like this. Granted, I don't really pay attention to the close because I've usually made my money by the time lunchtime comes around. But trust me, man, I have heard from so many of my customers and clients, people who actually use this system on a daily basis, on how powerful and effective just trading the color changes could potentially be. Okay, so what I'd like to know is how many of you guys are out there trying to bang the close every day? Or to put it another way, how many of you guys and gals out there are trading the color change versus how many of you guys and gals out there are trading the retracements? And again, when I say retracements, I'm talking about what took place earlier today, right? Something like this, where the market gives you a nice deep retracement like this to the point where, the value of the bar is completely above the band. This is what I like to call the perfect setup, right? And for me, you guys know this is my moneymaker, right? When I see this setup show up, I jump on top of this immediately. But I'm also starting to realize that there might be some value, guys and gals, in trading just the color change. I'm tossing around in my head, what are some ideas I can come up with, but I would love to know what you guys and gals are doing with simply trading the color change. Because in market environments that we have right now, where the volatility is through the roof, then this volume indicator is an absolute dream. I mean, the thing is simply spot on and perfectly nailing the trend direction, right? Green, it's going to go up. Red, it's going to go down. This is all about playing the probabilities, guys and gals, and this volume indicator is really leading the way. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.